Who wants to learn how to make carne guisada? I like using beef sirloin tri-tip roast. You could use beef stew cubes. We're going to use 3 tomatoes, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, a half an onion, and 1/4 of a red pepper. I chopped it all up. I minced the garlic. Then we're going to set our veggies to the side. Next is the meat. We're going to cut the fat off and cut in bite-sized cubes. Or just buy the beef stew cubes. We're going to add goya adobo and onion powder, lots of it. Then we're going to introduce 3/4 of a cup of flour. Mix it all in. Look at my baby. Coat the bottom of your pan with oil until hot. We're going to drop our meat in there. As you can tell, I want to go buy some more meat. That's the pink ones. I did season it. I got my nails done too. This is the browning process. You just cook the meat from the top. Get a nice brown crust going and then throw in our veggies until it starts getting a little saucy. Aren't my nails cute? Then we're going to throw in 1 Knorr chicken cube or chicken bouillon cube. I like using Knorr. And then we're going to put 2 cups of beef broth. I like making mine with the Knorr beef bouillon. The instructions are in the back. It's 1 tablespoon for every cup. Or you can just use canned beef broth. Swanson is fine. Get all your juices mixed in. To our secret, not so secret ingredient, cumin. We're going to add about a tablespoon. Those are half tablespoons. As you can see, I added 1/2 tablespoon, then added a little bit extra. I mixed it in there, and then I added to taste. The cumin is what brings out the taste to this dish, so make sure to be generous. Submerge all the beef into the stew, and then we're going to cover it and simmer for about 2 to 3 hours. Since I work from home and have to go back into my little office, I cannot be on top of the stove for 2-3 hours. So your other option is to put it in the crock pot on high for 4 hours or until your meat is tender. Put it on 4 hours and get back to work. Now it's dinner time and we're going to pair with some flour tortillas, my homemade charro beans, and some rice. You can also make it with Mexican rice. My family's just tired of Mexican rice, so this is how it should look like.